Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to make a dancehall beat in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. And after opening it up, it's going to look like this. If you do not have the application, just go ahead and download it from the App Store. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. You can find all the instruments that you can play. You can open up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with making our dancehall beat. There are two ways we can go, guys. The first way is to go right here into the upper corner where you can find the live loop section next to tracks. In the live loops, you'll be able to find all the pre-made loops that you have by Apple, and what you can do is go ahead and find one that you can go ahead and edit and explore with to get your desired dancehall rhythm. So let's say you want to open up the house option. Right here is how it's going to sound the most like your dancehall beat, and here is going to see all the options and the instruments that have in place. So you can get started with editing this right here. And now you can go ahead and see how it sounds and how to get started recording it. So if you want to go ahead and edit it into your desired dancehall beat, that's how to do it. But if you want to make it from scratch, guys, what you want to do is go back and open up the track section, and now we can find all the instruments we can play. So you want to get started with adding your instruments. So let's say you want to add the keyboard, guys. Here is going to open up the recording menu, where at the top of the screen you have the big red circle that's going to enable you to get started with recording. So go ahead and get started with recording, guys, and go ahead and get started with adding your instruments. After making all your tracks and recordings for your dancehall beat, you'll be able to find them right here in the upper left corner in the edit menu, where you can find all the tracks you have and you can place them however you want to get your desired beat and your desired track. But yeah guys, go ahead and explore with it, play around with it until you get what you want and learn how to make the beat yourself. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.